So children, today we are going to revise chapter number 11. So this is a revision sheet for you. So let's continue with it. So first question is, name the organ system which carries the blood from heart to the different parts of the body and bring it back to the heart in the humans. So kindly raise your hand. You have to give the name of the organ only. Yes, Mukul Jain. Okay, circulatory. Vedang, you can give the answer.
Ma'am, veins.
Tanvi.
Ma'am, the circulatory system.
Vansh Sharma. Yes, beta, you had asked the organ system. Organ system. So organ system is the question. So you will be writing circulatory system. आपसे organ नहीं पूछा गया है. Circulatory system. Circulatory system. Next, why should sportsman drink lot of water?
May I go answer?
Yes, Vansh Sharma.
Well, this is because the blood is pumped out of the heart at greater pressure from these chambers compared to the atria. Ma'am, question 2. As athletes exercise, the core of the body temperature rises. In response, the body feeds to distort excess heat so it doesn't overheat like an latent cricketer.
Okay. So children, you have to write the answer for this question. Why should sportsman person drink a lot of water? Okay. So you have to answer this question. Kindly write down yourself the answer. Question number 3, give reason for the following statement. Ventricle have thicker walls than auricles. What's the reason behind it? Ventricles have thicker wall. Why it is so? Sorry, not thicker, it has a thinner. Ventricle has thinner walls. Yes. Ventricles have thinner walls. Why? Yes, tell Jansh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is because blood is pumped out of the heart at greater pressure from these chambers compared to the atria.
May I tell?
Okay, yes. Yes, tell beta.
Ma'am, ventricles have thinner walls than auricles, as
Yes.
ma'am they have less space between them.
Okay, anybody else? Mukul Jain. Yes, Mukul Jain. Unmute and tell.
And because they receive the blood from lungs and they transfer the blood to the ventricles.
Beta, they receive the blood from the lungs, so they don't need to pump the blood. Arteries. Now the next question is there. The walls of the arteries are thick. Why it is so? Arteries have thick walls because they have to pump the bloods to all part of the body. That's why. Okay, so kindly write down. Write down the answer for that, because arteries has to pump the blood. That's why it has a thick elastic walls. This you have read about arteries. Number 4. Why is transport of material is necessary in plants?
Can I tell?
Okay, Anya, tell.
Ma'am, can I tell?
One by one.
Materials is necessary in both plants and animals, as every cell needs a regular supply of nutrition and oxygen for releasing energy through respiration.
Okay, beta, good. Question number 5. Raman's uncle was hospitalized and put on dialysis after a severe infection in both the kidneys. Explain what is dialysis. Yes, now you can tell. Nishya Jain.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in a case of kidney failure, we have to do dialysis.
Yes.
Dialysis is the filtering of blood
just like the kidneys. They are the artificial kidneys, and the toxic substances are removed to them.
Okay. So blood is filtered through this process dialysis. This works like a artificial kidneys. Okay. When does it become necessary to take such a treatment? When this dialysis is taken. Yes, Tanvi. When the dialysis is done. When person's kidneys are not.
Kidneys stop working, then
Yes.
dialysis is used to remove waste
Okay.
from the body.
Okay, good. When the person's kidneys are not working at that time, the dialysis is done. Next, what is the difference between a xylem and phloem? Kindly raise your hands. You have to tell the difference between these two. What function? Yes, Bhavya? Can you give the answer? Kavya? What is the function of, yes, Bhavya, xylem and phloem we have done in the plants. What they do? Plants absorb water and minerals with the help of xylem, and with the help of a phloem, what they do? With the help of a phloem, they transport food.
I make you answer.
Yes.
Xylem. Now, ma'am, it is a vascular tissue for the transport of the water and the nutrients. In plants are called xylem.
Yes.
It forms a connector of roots to the leaves through the stem and branches that do transport water to entire.
Next question, Vedika, you will give the answer. Question number 7. And what about xylem?
Ma'am, xylem, I have told them the phloem. Ma'am, the phloem is it needs to transport the food to the all parts of the plants, and ma'am, it is a vascular tissue.
Okay. So phloem is again a vascular tissue, and it helps the transfer of food prepared in the leaves to all parts of the plant. Next question number 7 will be answer given by Vedika. Sia was riding a bicycle. She fell down. Her blood is continuously flowing. What can be the reason for this? Yes, tell me. What can be the reason for it?
I don't know.
Why? She fell down and blood is. Yes, tell me.
Can I tell?
Wait. Yes, tell.
The clot is formed because of the presence of another type of cell in the blood called platelets.
But a clot has not formed. It is written the blood is flowing continuously. What can be the reason? Maybe she is having the less platelets, because platelets help in formation of clot. As the blood is flowing continuously, no clot has formed. Okay. So there may be a reason that she don't have the platelets, in the very less amount of platelets in the blood. Done. Next is, what could be the color of the wound area and why? When after bleeding, the wound is formed, what is the color of that wound? That is of dark red color. And why it is so? Because that blood has clotted due to the presence of platelets. Next is, explain step by step the process of circulation of blood in human body. So children, you have to tell this circulation process, that is the function of heart, how the blood is collected, and which part of the heart process the blood, or pump the blood to all parts of the body in this way. Okay. So with this, if anything you want to ask, you can ask.